All right, today we're going to be setting up our Google Workspace service user or service user account so that we can connect Google Workspace to Meeting Room 365. If you're not already there, go to admin.google.com and sign in. Once you sign in to your organization's page as an admin, you will see a menu on the left. We are going to go to Directory and the Users and add a new user. You can call it whatever you like. It really doesn't matter. Nobody should be signing in with this user. Basically, you sign in to a third-party app with this user you create. As a security practice, you might create one service user for a bunch of similar services you use, or one for each service you use. Or if you're in a really small organization, you can even assign an existing user with a limited admin role a service user account and let them manage it. So now I have a service user and an auto-generated password. I'll copy that to clipboard. We'll need it later. You can also reset it. You can set it to whatever you like. This is just like any other Google user account, but basically we're going to use this to sign in to third-party services and let it access data on our behalf.